I didn't make it, so I'm not going to show you how. I do know one person who can, and he's coming up right now.
Hello, and thanks for the intro, by the way, Crumples. What I'm using are a pencil, scissors, cotton balls, and pantyhose. You do have the option of yourself of using rubber bands. First, you'll need to put the pantyhose on your head. I already know you're laughing your butt off, but stick with me. Next, you can use the pencil to measure out where your face will be and how big you want the hole. Next, you're gonna use scissors to cut the hole. And make sure you realize you're not starting on making the hole before you're recording, and don't be a smooth dumb brain.
Now you could leave it here, but let's face it, if you're clowning, you better go all the way, baby.
And with that said, now we gotta go to the good part, the cotton balls. When you're done cutting out the hole, make sure you get a decent amount of cotton balls and shove them right down that sock. And make sure you do it on both sides, and don't add too much on one side or both sides, cause it's gonna look weird if you do. Once you're done shoving cotton balls down pantyhose, that is now a jester hat, tie both ends very neatly to create the classic ball shape on a jester hat. Now this is where I say you do have the option of using rubber bands. But personally, I'm not doing that because I want this to retain the ball shape. Plus, the cotton balls are going to stay in there much better this way. But you do you, baby boo. Now, if you're younger and do want to do this and it's your first time, I personally recommend you ask your parents for permission to make sure that they're okay with it. And also make sure they're new. Hold on, side tip. Get yourself some very large scrunchies and put them on your wrists. And you'll have yourself some clown arm ruffles. It's even more effective if you have a glove on with it, as you can see here.
Well, there you go. That's how you make your jester hat. You happy now? Great. Because I got some people to rip off. Video's over.